Hello, my name is Adam Jolene, and this is Team OQM's submission for the 2023 Octo Hackathon. Team OQM is fortunate for the opportunity to present our hard work and product concept, and I'm excited to show you what we've all been working on. Now to meet the OQM team: Greg Stewart, the visionary creator, and Doug Albright Pierce, an advocate for equitable access to business solutions through open source, while Dan Pellicor excels in innovation and team cohesion. Together, with my 25 years of IT experience in network engineering and cyber resiliency, we drive innovation in open source technology and work to make impactful contributions to the field. Team OQM realizes there is an absence of versatile and scalable open source database solutions capable of meeting the diverse needs of organizations. Existing database solutions often fall short in addressing the unique requirements of both small startups and large enterprises, hindering efficient data management across various business use cases. We believe our work is providing a comprehensive and adaptable inventory management system by offering design capabilities for seamless integration with hardware and software solutions. It can also be customized to assist with workplace compliance through the use of plugins. Open Quartermaster is firmly grounded in the principles of open platforms, aiming to make information management accessible, customizable, and integratable with a user-centric design philosophy and a containerized architecture for scalability. Security compliance, community-driven collaboration, and versatile use cases from personal data management to specialized industries are at the core of OQM's development, inviting users to actively participate in shaping its future. Greg Stewart will now showcase a working prototype that integrates with storage management hardware and can be queried via voice commands. We hope you enjoy. Thank you.
All right, thanks Adam. My name's Greg, and I'm going to do the technical side of this demo. Here we have the architecture diagram. I'll start off with the OQM base station, which is our main component that handles all inventory management tasks. This integrates with Keycloak for user authorization, as well as plugins to extend our functionality. This all interacts with our core infrastructure, databases, message brokers to facilitate what we do. We also have monitoring and reporting tools, and this is all configured and deployed by either our station captain on a local installation or through Kubernetes. So diving right into looking at how we have it deployed locally, this is a station captain, essentially a very Raspberry config inspired utility, so you can just configure and manage your installation. This is paired with the OQM config utility that we use to slurp configuration from files, put them all into one unified document, and then we can get information out from here. This also includes secret management, so we can store secrets that are consistent and secret. This is all installed and set up through Debian packages. Just make sure everything is installed and where it needs to be. And the actual running of each of these services we've just described in the architecture diagram are actually all handled using Docker, run using service file systemd services. And this is how we retain parity with, say, a more cloud Kubernetes setup. It's all the same containers, just running in a different environment. All right, so let's dive right into the base station. Let's get logged in with Keycloak and get dumped right into our overview. So this is just, the overview of your inventory. Also shows you if anything's expiring or low stock. But first stop here is storage. This is where you store things. Let's see, we can store things in the basement. All right. And next step is defining some items. These are a lot of fields. Let's search for some, see if there is any exist in an external database. And looks like this already does. So this canned air already exists, so we can throw this name and description over, and also steal some images. I'll submit that. Oh, look at that. We got a canned air. But we don't actually have a canned air yet. We have to say, specify that we store these in the basement. And there we go. Oh, and we can say how many we have. 1 unit of canned air. And there it is. We can also specify categories for items, as well as check out some items. We also have a QR code and barcode generator, and then a help and user guide. So this is all facilitated with a feature-rich API that the UI uses to do all its functionality. So here are the inventory items endpoints. This is also what the plugins use to interact with the inventory and facilitate their extension of our functionality. All right, onto a plugin example. So here we have a MSS controller plugin. Essentially, this is a service that connects to the base station via that web API we just looked at, but also connects to this set of drawers via serial USB. And we can do a search for screws, and then it shows us where all the screws are, and it is in fact accurate. But we can also do this fancy thing. Locate screws. And then we see again, it did another search, and it showed us the screws again, all through a voice search powered by AI. And that concludes our demo. Thank you very much.